I got this file loaded which has a bunch of plates and pretty much I went through and printed all the bigger pieces, but I did have some issues with some of the little interlocking pieces like this one actually printing when I printed the pieces. If you want to see like the whole video of where I printed the whole dragon, check out the description below. I got my Instagram and TikTok linked and you guys can check it out. Anyway, what you can do is on the plate that you have selected that you want to, just cut the little part out, you can just right click on the model, go down to split, two objects, and then now you can like click, I typically like click off of it, just click on a different model, and then now here you can click on each interlocking piece. You can also click on the little part itself. So like for this one, I just went through, I already printed this big piece, so I'm just going to delete everything. And then there's just these little pieces here, I just delete those. And then now if you go over to objects, you can see here there's a few different ones. I'm just going to delete these extras because these aren't a part of the model. I mean, you can see like there's little pieces down here and everything, but it's all just the one model. So now I pretty much just have to go through each plate and do it all over again. But this way I'm able to, just make a plate that's full of the little interconnecting pieces like this. And then I can just go through, slice it, and then actually print it and, print out all the pieces I needed instead of having to print each piece over again and then just try to get these, little interlocking pieces. So this is different than splitting a model, or cutting it. So let me know if you guys, if this helps. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.